Malaysia's premier developer proudly presents Tropicana Grandhill, one of its kind highland resort city in Asia. Let's discover this cool new destination in the capital city of Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur, one of Asia's top economies, sentineled by the great Twin Towers. Only an hour's flight from Singapore lies your best investment haven. Equipped with modern technology and infrastructure, its strategic location as a stable economic powerhouse in Southeast Asia has made it a popular congregation destination for more than 200 multinational corporations from the West to the Orient, including Google Malaysia, Intel, Shell, General Electric, and Samsung, as well as world-renowned Chinese enterprises such as Huawei, Alibaba, China Railways, Bank of China, and China Construction Bank. It is also the heart of fashion, trends, and luxury. A cradle to the local arts and cultural scene. A place that never sleeps, that brims with amazing cuisines, entertainment, and things to do. It is one of the safest cities in Asia, with immense popularity as a paradise for medical tourism and retirement, and superior education offered by many elite international schools, all factors that encourage the huge influx of high-caliber expatriates. With business-friendly policies, a universally strong grasp of English and Chinese, a tenacious spending power, and a competitive talent market, Kuala Lumpur has flourished to embody a real, globalized metropolis. In the backyard of the Eternal City, a magnificent mountain range breathes peacefully. Amid one of its misty, enchanting peaks, glows the famous Asia's leisure and entertainment city, Genting Highlands, an awe-inspiring highland resort destination within a cool and pristine green forest. It is a beloved hill station for all, just 40 minutes drive from Kuala Lumpur city center. Genting boasts a yearly visitor count averaging at more than 20 million, and the 10 billion ringgit GITP will further increase the visitor count to a staggering number of 30 million by the year 2020. Find the lavish Genting Highlands premium outlets, the adrenaline-pumping indoor theme park, and Sky Avenue, a hilltop epicenter of shops, hangouts, and delicious eats. Rooted in rich heritage and charming local culture, it is also surrounded by the lush attractions in a thick foliage, filled with recreational offerings, and centered by a quaint and laid-back town center. All these have resulted in a quandary where the demand for rooms at Genting constantly outpaces its supply. And as over 30 million yearly visitors will flock to Genting from now on, this piece of land has become the most treasured district for profoundly lucrative property investment. Introducing Tropicana Grandhill, an integrated lifestyle resort city within a pristine highland forest. The perfect place for timeless moments steeped in coolness and natural grace. Modern residences, hip commercial stretches, world-class educational choices, and a range of health and wellness services come together, inviting you to holistic, authentic living topped off by the sparkling energy of Genting. At Grandhill, begin your life close to the woods, in touch with true tranquility, in celebration of wonderful conversations, in your arrival at a fulfilled future, the gateway to caressing winds, the neighborhood that nourishes all ages, dedicated to giving you the best times with loved ones, the retreat that honors good feelings, good laughs, and good days with family. Tropicana presents to you another masterpiece, Tropicana Grandhill Gunting, the rightful destination in your voyage towards happiness. Tropicana, a leading real estate corporation in Malaysia. With the debut of Tropicana Golf and Country Resort, it has established itself as the pioneer of resort lifestyle developments. It is also now the name behind many iconic works in the country, such as Kuala Lumpur's W Hotel, Penang's Courtyard by Marriott Hotel, in a portfolio that includes more than 65 completed and ongoing projects. A developer who redefines the art of living to many Malaysians. Tropicana has made its mark in the world with true innovation, quality, and integrity.